What's up, my Big Mack Snack-Wraps? It's your boy, the Miggity Mac, and welcome to another show. On today's show, you guys, we are having some homemade sushi rolls. These are California rolls made by Wifey. It has the crab meat, the imitation crab meat. It has cucumber and avocado on the inside, seaweed, rice on the outside. I have two. You probably can't see both of them, but I have two. And then right here, I have some barbecue pork, rice, and cucumber. I'm probably not gonna eat the rice in this because I have this, but this wasn't homemade. This is from a shop called, I think it's called Bingo Market in Fresno. They sell hot food, so that's where I got this from. They also have some, this is some of the best chili sauce, the best chili sauce I've had. So we got that. I got some coconut aminos instead of soy sauce. This has less sodium. And then I have, of course, back here some sriracha. Y'all, we're gonna say a prayer and we're gonna get into this goodness. Amen. And I think I'm gonna start with some of this sushi. How my snack wraps doing out there? Hopefully everybody's doing okay. I'm doing great. Got my chopsticks right here. Okay. Ooh, that was falling apart. Bomb. And these are hefty. Boom. You already know I got my water, my ice water, piggies up. We're gonna swirl a little bit, then we're gonna sip a whole lot of it. So how my snack wraps doing out there? Hopefully everybody's doing all right. This is some of the barbecue pork. I think this is the same as that one. Now this is spicy, very spicy. This, well, not for me, but maybe for the average person, this will be spicy. But I know I love the spice. Cucumber. So what y'all eating on my snack wraps? You guys probably get the video Tuesday, but it's Monday right now. Monday afternoon. What are y'all getting into? It's one of them hot. It's gonna be one of them hot weeks out here. Where I'm at. So I'm just relaxing. Prior to the summertime, me and the wifey already knew how hot it was gonna get out here, because it's always hot in the summertime. So since last summer, we've been putting extra money on a utility bill, so we have like credit. So when the summertime came, we could just run the AC how we want to run it. So we set for the summer. Because last summer we had no AC, and we only had fans. You know, fans only gonna circulate the air that's in the house. So we didn't have no. The central AC wasn't working like it's supposed to last year. But we got through last summer, and it got fixed during the winter time, so. Somewhere I read it's gonna be like 116 sometime next week. So if you live anywhere near where I live, avoid going out on that day if you can. Me personally, I would turn off all lights, all appliances except the AC. Just so you can conserve the energy and it won't be no blackout. Make sure you got your water on deck, your ice water on deck. Cause it's about to get crazy. And I don't like summer at all. If I was wealthy, I would have a summer home somewhere that's cold. I love the winter. Winter time is my time. $65 and below, about 65 to about 35. That's my weather. Anything above or below that, I'm like, A lot of people like the summertime. They like the warm weather. Call me when it's over. How many of y'all watched the BET Awards this past Sunday? I didn't get a chance to watch it, but kind of from what I seen, I don't think I missed much. Now y'all tell me what y'all think. From what I seen with the Usher tribute, it was all ladies, which I get because in Vegas, you know, he goes and serenades the ladies. You know, his whole career, you know, has been singing to ladies. So I get it, but I feel like they missed the opportunity to have some of the male stars pay tribute. Because, you know, Usher's up there as an inspiration for a lot of the newcomers, people that's in the last 15 years, 15, 20 years now. He's like a blueprint. So I feel like they kind of missed the opportunity with that. Or they could have Mario, Lucky Day, Luke James, maybe even Tyrese. Maybe Miguel, you know, Chris Brown, possibly. I don't know how they getting along. I heard they had fell out. So I don't necessarily know how that would go, but I feel like they kind of missed the opportunity there. Van and Eris performed. Eris is T.I. and Tiny's daughter. I enjoyed that because I grew up in a time where Bow Wow and Romeo, or at the time Lil Bow Wow, Lil Romeo, would be at award shows performing and stuff. So it's always good to see the next generation, you know, kind of coming up. Megan Thee Stallion did good. It was a lot of women performers last night. Not too many male. But then again, that is what it is, because the ladies, they really killing it. Been killing it for the last few years. I don't know what's going on with the male artists. They're not putting on a show like that. And maybe that's why they wasn't called for the tribute. Who knows? But I feel like the best time for the BET Awards was 2001 to 2010. And after that, it's kind of like up in the air. This barbecue pork, fire. Sushi, fire. Compliments of the wife. She behind the camera. I'm looking at her.
Yesterday was Women's Day.
It was Women's Day.
I thought there was more women performers.
Oh, well, that's possible. Wifey says it was Women's Day. Well, it was Women's Day at church yesterday, and I don't know if that was international. Like,
I think so.
Well, and boom, there you have it.
Hey y'all.
That's wifey in the background. For those who don't know if we're together or not, we are still together.
Very much so, and happy.
Happily. She gonna join us on the video soon. Boom. But I ain't gonna keep y'all. I ain't gonna keep y'all no longer. I just want to come check in with y'all. Come kick it with y'all. I know how I do. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you're wondering about what to eat tonight, go get you some sushi or make you some sushi. All you need is some rice, some seaweed, imitation crab meat, cucumber, avocado, mayonnaise for the imitation crab. And you don't even have to, if you don't want to roll it, you don't even have to roll it. Put it all in a bowl. You can eat it like that. Y'all know I like my chili sauce. Got my coconut aminos. And if you can find you some barbecue pork, boom, there you go. But shout out to all my day ones, all my new Snack-Wraps, everybody in between. Thank y'all for coming to kick it with me. I love y'all. Thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. I will see y'all on the next video, which probably be another one this week. Probably won't be tomorrow, but probably the day after that. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all turn on post notifications. Until we eat again, my beautiful Snack-Wraps. Peace.